Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Adobe Illustrator not opening issue in a quick and simple way. If Illustrator won't launch or crashes instantly, start by restarting your computer to clear temporary glitches. Once your system is back on, open Adobe Creative Cloud and make sure Illustrator is updated to the latest version. Next, check your system requirements and ensure your Windows and graphics drivers are fully updated. Now, try running Illustrator as administrator by right-clicking the app and selecting Run as Administrator. If it still doesn't open, reset Illustrator preferences by holding Ctrl-Alt-Shift while launching the app. After that, go to your antivirus settings and temporarily disable it, as it may block the program from opening. You can also uninstall and reinstall Illustrator completely from Creative Cloud to fix corrupted files. Finally, restart your system again and open Illustrator, and the issue should be resolved, and the app should launch normally now without any errors. Subscribe the channel for more videos.